Hello everyone, I am Lonnie and I am back to share some delicious food with you. Today, we're making Mala香锅. Without further ado, let's get started. First, slice the ginger and cut the green onions into sections. Prepare the green chili peppers, carrots, tomatoes, lotus root, wood ear mushrooms, shiitake mushrooms, imitation crab sticks, pork belly, Chinese sausage, celery, daikon, radish, and firm tofu. Clean and devein the shrimp. Slice the lotus and onion. Slice and score the squid. Have the fish balls ready. Although this prep work is extensive, it lays the foundation for a delicious dish. Next, fill a pot with water and bring it to a boil. Add salt, then blanch the celery, carrots, lotus root slices, and shiitake mushrooms until cooked. Remove and set aside. Add the daikon, radish, and firm tofu to the pot, then remove them. Next, add the fish balls and cook until done. Then add the Chinese sausage, shrimp, and squid. Remove and set aside. Next, clean the pot and add oil. Sauté the ginger slices until fragrant. Then add the pork belly and stir fry. Add the dobanjiang and stir until the red oil is released. Add the dried chili peppers, green onion sections, onion and green peppers, and stir fry. Then add the celery, carrots, lotus root slices, and shiitake mushrooms, followed by the lotus, imitation crab sticks, and tomatoes. Add some cooking wine for extra flavor. Then add the fish balls, Chinese sausage, shrimp, and squid back into the pot. Season with a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of sugar, and some pepper. Drizzle with chili oil and add cumin powder for a unique flavor. Finally, stir everything evenly and finish with a drizzle of sesame oil before serving. This spicy mushroom dish is vibrant and aromatic, with a diverse mix of ingredients. Its spicy and savory taste makes it a highlight on any dining table. Friends, you must try our Mala Xiang Guo. If you like this video, don't forget to let me know. If you find it helpful, please like and share. Thank you all for watching. Until next time.